The influence of technology on personal development, embracing the digital age. In today's world, technology touches nearly every aspect of our lives. From the way we communicate to the way we work, learn, and even relax, digital tools are woven into the fabric of our daily existence. As we embrace this digital age, it's worth exploring how technology impacts our personal growth and development. How do we ensure that these powerful tools help us grow instead of distracting or overwhelming us? How can we use technology mindfully to enrich our lives and reach our fullest potential? Let's take a journey into the influence of technology on personal development. We'll look at how technology can empower us to learn, connect, and evolve, while also recognizing the potential pitfalls. With a balanced approach, we can navigate this digital landscape in ways that benefit our growth. 1. Expanding access to knowledge. One of the most profound ways technology has transformed personal development is by making knowledge accessible to anyone with an internet connection. Gone are the days when learning was restricted to those who had access to expensive books or formal education. Today, we can learn almost anything, from cooking a new recipe to mastering a foreign language, simply by logging onto our devices. Platforms like YouTube, Coursera, and Khan Academy have democratized education, putting learning opportunities into the hands of millions. This access to knowledge has empowered people from all walks of life to pursue their interests and enhance their skills. For those seeking personal growth, this abundance of information offers a unique advantage. No longer limited by time or location, we can develop ourselves in our own way and at our own pace. Whether it's gaining insights into mental wellness, improving communication skills, or picking up a new hobby, technology provides the resources. But with this access comes a responsibility. With so much information available, it can be easy to feel overwhelmed or to jump from topic to topic without really diving deep. Here's where a little mindfulness goes a long way. When we approach online learning with intention, choosing specific topics, setting realistic goals, and practicing what we learn, we can transform our digital consumption into a tool for genuine growth. 2. Creating new ways to connect and network. Technology has revolutionized the way we connect with others. Social media platforms, forums, and video calls bring people from around the world closer together, and these connections can be incredibly powerful for personal development. Networking, which was once limited to in-person interactions, now extends to people we may never meet face-to-face. We can follow thought leaders, join online communities with shared interests, and find mentors or peers who inspire us and push us to grow. Digital connections can provide motivation and accountability, which are essential to personal growth. Being part of an online community focused on fitness, for example, can encourage us to stay consistent with our workouts. Participating in forums for writers can help us refine our craft. Through these interactions, we receive feedback, share experiences, and find encouragement in ways that would have been challenging without technology. However, it's essential to maintain a healthy balance between online and offline connections. Online relationships are valuable, but nothing fully replaces the depth of in-person interaction. Spending too much time on social media can also lead to comparison, which often hinders personal growth. The key is to embrace the opportunities that online communities offer without letting digital interactions replace genuine human connection. By doing so, we create a support system that enriches, rather than detracts from, our personal development journey. 3. Developing self-discipline in the face of distractions. Technology is an incredible tool, but it can also be a double-edged sword. Notifications, endless scrolling, and constant connectivity can be distractions that pull us away from the goals we set for ourselves. In this digital age, self-discipline has become a cornerstone of personal development. How can we resist the lure of our screens to focus on what truly matters? One of the most effective strategies is to set boundaries around our tech use. By turning off notifications, setting specific times for social media, and creating device-free spaces in our homes, we can take control of our digital consumption. Technology doesn't have to be a distraction, it can be a catalyst for discipline. Using apps designed for time management, like Pomodoro timers or focus-enhancing playlists, can help us harness the power of technology to stay on track. Developing self-discipline in the face of constant digital temptation is challenging, but it's a skill that pays off. By learning to control our impulses and focus on tasks without distraction, we're developing resilience and commitment. These qualities are invaluable on the path to personal growth, and they are worth cultivating if we want to make the most of the digital tools at our disposal. 4. Enhancing mental wellness with digital tools. Technology has become a powerful ally in promoting mental health. Apps like Headspace and Calm make managing stress and anxiety accessible, while online therapy platforms like BetterHelp connect people to licensed therapists from home. Social media has also opened up conversations around mental health, reducing stigma and fostering community support. However, while these tools are valuable, they can't fully replace in-person support. By combining digital wellness tools with real-world self-care, we can create a balanced approach to mental health in this digital age. 5. Finding purpose and direction through digital inspiration. The digital world offers endless sources of inspiration, from motivational podcasts to TED Talks. Exposure to diverse perspectives and stories of resilience can spark a sense of purpose, guiding us toward meaningful goals. Yet, inspiration alone isn't enough. True growth comes from turning these insights into action. By setting goals, taking small steps, and reflecting on our progress, we can transform digital inspiration into real, personal development. Conclusion: embracing technology mindfully for lasting growth. Technology is a powerful tool for personal growth, offering knowledge, connection, and inspiration. Yet, like any tool, it requires mindful use. Balancing digital consumption with intentional actions and real-world experiences helps us harness its potential without becoming overwhelmed. Embracing the digital age doesn't mean surrendering to it. It's about using technology purposefully to enrich our lives and move closer to our aspirations. By approaching it mindfully, we can unlock our potential and truly flourish in this digital era.